today Shraddha and I are together for the first time, and taking cue from Cherry and Komal, we'll be sitting together and chatting with you guys today. Also, we'll be discussing all the love that you give us on the YouTube comments.
Yes, so we love shooting videos for you guys, and like Komal and Cherry, we too get a lot of varied comments on our videos. Some of them are pretty sweet, some of them are a little blah, and some of them are downright hilarious. So, you want to start talking about a few things first?
Yeah, I have a question. Why do you want to be the first one to comment? Like, for what joy? Just curious.
I don't know, guys. Like it's cool actually. Like people watch our videos so early, but then again, it's not a competition. So yeah, you guys can chill.
It's very sweet of you to be so enthusiastic. Like we really appreciate that. But it doesn't matter. You watched the video, you liked it, and that's all that matters to us.
Apart from that, there's another interesting phenomena that has been going on. So a lot of you have been posting a lot of emoticons, like about 80-90 emoticons in one comment, and then you ask people to spot the difference.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
That is confusing.
Yeah. That's a new trending challenge or something that we don't know about.
We are not aware of. So you guys must be wondering why we have this marker and papers in our hands, but that is for a very interesting reason that Upalana would like to share.
Yes, I am dying to do this, guys, dying.
Can you guys guess? Yeah, that's bold enough, Upalana.
Is it?
Okay.
I am dying to do this. That's my name. That's how you spell it. Shraddha, please read it for me.
Okay guys, so we'll start with the basics. U-pa-li-na. Upalana.
Simple.
That is how you pronounce her name.
And you know, guys, I'm not taking offense to this, but the name of the video says Challenge with Komal and Upalana. This with Upalana. How do you spell it, Upalana? Please, guys, Upalana. One more time. Say it with me.
Upalana. So I think I'll skip mine. My name is Shraddha and
not Sharadha, Sharadha. And what's the new one?
Shraddha. Like someone actually skipped all the vowels in my name. So they were just about 4-5 letters and they were very happy with it. So okay.
So guys, save up on the energy of first like so many views. Write our name right. We will make sure the spelling is correct. That's where we need the effort.
Okay, so I think that is a lot of discussing regular things. Let's move on to our videos.
So, this is one of my favorite videos. 4 ways to style a DIY shrug.
Really like that video, yeah.
And let's check out some comments.
Oh, I like this one.
Okay, so Sylvia Snowflake. Upalana is a bit like Komal. That is same hairstyle. Quite similar dress up. By the way, nice video. So Sylvia, thank you for liking the video firstly. Secondly, it's quite nice. I'll take it as a compliment if you think Komal and I are similar, because Komal's beautiful and she's super talented. To be compared to her, it's actually a compliment. And about the hairstyle, please tell me what is a hairstyle that is not a copied hairstyle. If I make a bun, somebody has made it already. If I make a pony, somebody has made that also. So a center partition is also something that I've been doing like forever, and especially for dailies and all. We try to be more natural and we try to make it look more real. So we keep our hairdos, our clothes as something more relatable. If that answers your query, that why I have a similar hairstyle. But I'll try change it. I try to do a lot of experimenting on my hair with fashion videos.
I love those comments.
Ishni Patel. First. That's all I have.
This is turning into a roast of Upalana. This is turning into a roast.
Okay.
But we love you guys nonetheless. Okay, let's switch to another video.
Why don't you do a video of yours? Let's read your comments now.
So for my first video, I want to go for the most controversial video till date. I'm sure you guys must have guessed by now. but it is the Komal and Shraddha take on the Bollywood dance moves challenge. So okay, I think everybody in at least Delhi, everybody has talked about it. Everybody has hated on me or Komal. So guys, Komal and I are like the best of friends. We spend the whole day together. We eat lunch together, and whatever we say to each other while we do challenges or generally, it's in a very, you know,
Sporting
light
way.
Yeah, it's in a very sporting way. It's in a very light mood. So we don't hate each other for sure. Nobody does.
So this is Komal and Upalana take on the Whisper Challenge. Oh, I've got such nice comments on this. Komal and Upalana both are looking gorgeous. Awesome video Popik. So, Asha Ratnam. Thank you so much. Then suddenly the entire conversation changed to Justin Bieber. He wasn't even a part of that video. Now I feel very left out.
I think Pop Exo has changed. Who else think it? Guys, nothing has changed. We just have new channels like Pop Exo Beauty, Pop Exo Fashion and Pop Exo Food.
So we're just trying to give you more and more videos. So go like, share, subscribe. These are all our new channels, guys. We need following there. The next one is Komal and I are taking Guess the Food Challenge. Okay. So yeah, with these challenges, guys, we see a lot of queries like this challenge has been done before by so and so. Why are we doing it again? So think of it as how you have season 1, season 2, chapter 1, chapter 2. So we do a sequel of it. So it's more interesting when we do it with two. For an example, the common thing that Cherry and Komal did, now Shraddha and I are doing. So it's different.
To that point, I'd just like to add that, guys, people bring out new challenges or we take on challenges because that is what the tags are for. Every YouTuber takes these challenges, so they're not copied from anywhere. We're not trying to replicate someone else's work. It's a challenge that it's meant to be taken. So even the challenges that we take, you guys can take them too and share videos with us.
In fact, that's the purpose.
So the next video is also a pretty controversial one. So it is the Cherry and Shraddha take on the Guess the Body Part challenge.
Cheap thrills.
Yeah, exactly. Shraddha is looking like Pink Rose.
Oh, thank you, Twinkle.
Thank you, Twinkle. Weird but good. Okay, this is a long comment by Fatima. Cherry's bestie is Komal. And how can she say that Komal is a cheater? Oh man, now I think I hate Shraddha and Cherry. I love you, Komal. Komal will feel sad when her besties say bad about her. Cherry don't have ability to think. Now Komal and Rajeshwari only do every challenge, not these both. You definitely took out a lot of time to write down this comment. So guys, it's actually not about how someone is someone else's best friend. We all spend like the whole day together. We spend the most amount of time together. We love each other. So I guess you should get used to watching Cherry or me or Komal or Upalana doing videos or challenges with other people, and that's completely fine. Shraddha is so mean and Komal is not a cheater. Shraddha is a cheater. Please hit like if you agree.
63 likes, I must say.
Would it be
popular, bro? I don't know how much you believe us when we say this. We do not even script our challenges. We make sure that it's written and given to us by somebody else, so it's fair and square.
So okay, there is this one comment that I just remembered it. So in a few videos, some of you were like, oh my god, Shraddha, you're wearing Komal's top, you called her a cheater and then you're wearing her top. So guys, again, we love each other, we're very close friends, and sometimes we share our clothes, and also we have similar clothing. It looks similar. We have similar shoes, which almost all of you have pointed out.
Oh, yes.
So it's just that we have similar tastes and friends share, right? Come on, Upalana, give us a very interesting comment.
Bantu, I'm very hurt. Very hurt. Upalana looks shit. She looks like kam wali bike.
That is very mean, guys. That
बुरा
is...
लगेगा उस काम वाली बाइक को. किसी के साथ इतना पर्सनल नहीं होते यार. मुझे बोलो ना, बेचारी काम वाली बाइक. किसी को भी ड्रैग कर रहे हो तुम सिचुएशन में. Okay guys, so the point is, you don't like me, I'm all okay. You don't like how I dress, absolutely fine. You're entitled to your opinion. But calling names, making such harsh comments. I'm doing my job. I'm trying to teach you something, share my knowledge with you. You don't like it, don't share it. But this gets a little too mean, right? And you also have to understand, guys, we're like shooting back to back. Sometimes we are unwell. We also have bad hair days, bad makeup days. Sometimes we can't do proper makeup. We're as regular as you people. And somebody called me Sushmita Sen on that video. So hearts up, guys.
I love Sushmita. She's so pretty. Now let's move on to a hair video. So okay, so this one is the 5 hairstyling mistakes we should avoid, which I really love this video. I love doing this video. So we have Ranjini, who says, hit like if you love Shraddha's hair. Thank you so much, guys. I get a lot of compliments for you, for my hair, sometimes my lipsticks, and you guys should know that I love lipsticks. So when you compliment on my lipstick shade, I really like that, and it makes my day. It actually does. So thank you so much for that. So this one says, hello PopXO team, thank you so much for these tips. I really like your videos. Thank you so much. I have subscribed to our other channels as well.
She looks cute. You look so beautiful. You are looking so cute. She is so pretty.
These helped me a lot. Thank you. Yes, that is the point, guys. Awesome.
Yeah, actually we look for these comments where you can tell us that you tried so and so was a problem, or this one worked the best for you. So this is the last video, and because I've also done enough mean on me, I'll see. Okay, this is like one of my favorite videos, and you guys have given so much love to me. I'm more than happy. Upalina is looking so beautiful. Who else agrees?
Upalina looks hot and sexy. Who else agrees?
I agree. Okay, so yeah, this is my new fashion video, and I am actually very happy that you guys accepted the new style of work. So okay, it's a simple information. I am going to try and do a lot of things that you haven't seen or done before. So guys, take it positively, because that's an incorporation. I don't want to show you or do something that you already know, because if I am doing something, there's a lot of research behind it.
Whatever content we make, we try to spread more positive vibes, because the internet is actually filled with a lot of hate, and we do not like that. We want to spread positivity, and we would love it if you do too.
Thank you so much for taking out so much time and liking, sharing, commenting on our videos. We really appreciate that, and we hope to serve you with a lot more videos and entertain you with more challenges.
So I'm awaiting comments on this one basically. So guys, that was it for today's video. Fashion and beauty have a new home now, and PopXO Fashion and PopXO Beauty on both YouTube and Facebook. So make sure you like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. For the rest and for this video, all that you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye!